you know, 5 feet away from property line, X amount of feet away from the house, locate the gas meter and the electrical service. So all those things go into the plan. That's all the stuff that we do as a licensed general contractor providing all the installation services, and as an authorized champion dealer, we get all this hooked up for you. So I hope this is helpful. This is kind of a quick little review, and again, this is just an amazingly compact unit. This is the 14 kW unit, and again, all three sizes are the same footprint. So just wanted to give you that view. And again, with the changed living environment that we have here in all of California with PG&E power outages, unfortunately, you're going to have to expect multiple times a year that you're going to be without power days, if not even weeks. That is unfortunately the new reality. So consider this. These things are not cheap to put in, so be a little bit prepared. But you know, if you want to protect yourself, your family from all the inconvenience and the issues of being without power, this is kind of the new appliance that you need to put in order to kind of maintain your household and provide safety and adequate measures for you and your family. So this is Paul, Golden Gate Enterprises. You can find out more information on our website at bayareacontractor.com and one of our other websites here, which is Bay Area Backup Generators. Give us a call. We handle the whole thing from start to finish. You only have one simple thing to do: write the check. Give us a call. Thank you.